Hey there, it's Marcus from RDP Arena. If you have ever struggled to move files from your local Windows computer to a Linux server, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and reliable way to do exactly that using a free tool called PuTTY Secure Copy, or PSCP. To get started, you'll first need to download the tool. On your Windows PC, open your browser and visit putty.org. Scroll down until you see a link that says, "It's here." Go ahead and click on it. On the download page, scroll down until you find the section for PSCP.exe. Here, you'll see different versions of PSCP based on your Windows operating system. Download the version that matches your system. I already have it saved on my desktop, so I will skip the download. Unlike the regular PuTTY app, which has a visual interface, PSCP works entirely through the command line. So, you need to open your command prompt. Go to the Windows search bar and type cmd. From the search results, click on the Command Prompt app. You'll now see a black window with white text. This is your command prompt. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the location where PSCP is saved. Since mine is on the desktop, I'm going to type cd desktop and press enter. Now the current directory is set to your desktop. To see all the files on your desktop, type dir and press enter. This command lists everything in your current location. You should be able to see PSCP along with any other files you have on your desktop. For this demo, I'm going to transfer a file called demo.zip from my desktop to my Linux server. Specifically, I want to put it in the root directory of my server. Here's the command you need to type to make this happen. It looks a bit long, but I will break it down for you so you understand exactly what you are doing. The first part, PSCP, calls the program. The -P22 tells the tool to use port 22, which is the standard port for SSH connections. Demo.zip is the file we are sending. After that comes user1, which is the username I use to log into my server. You'll need to replace this with your own server username. Then you see 147.124.209.80, which is my server's IP address. Again, you'll need to replace this with your own server's IP address. Finally, /root/ is the directory path on my server where I want the file to be saved. If you're not completely sure which directory you should transfer your file to, don't worry. You can easily check by opening PuTTY and logging into your server first. Once you're logged in, just type pwd and press enter. This command shows you the current directory you're in. As you can see on the screen, my current directory is root, which is exactly where I want to send my file. If you want to see what other files and folders are already on your server, you can use the ls command. This lists everything in your current location. I haven't used it here because my server doesn't have any other directories at the moment, but it's a handy command to know. By the way, if you're new to PuTTY or haven't used it before, I've put a link to our complete PuTTY tutorial in the description below. That video will help you get comfortable with the basics. Alright, let's get back to the command prompt and finish our file transfer. Hit Enter to execute the PSCP command you typed earlier. The system will now ask you to enter your password. Go ahead and enter your server password and press Enter. Don't worry if you don't see the characters appearing on screen as you type. This is a security feature to keep your password hidden. Once you've entered your password, the file transfer will begin. You'll see a progress indicator showing you how much of the file has been copied. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. While we're waiting for this upload to finish, I've got some exciting news I want to share with you.
We're currently running a special sale with 20% off on all RDP slots. Simply use the code you see on your screen during checkout to grab your discount. If you've been thinking about upgrading your RDP plan or trying out one of our premium servers, this is the perfect chance for you to get started. Don't wait too long though. Stocks are limited, and this sale won't be around forever. Now let's get back to the video.
The upload is now complete. Now let's verify that everything worked correctly and your file actually made it to the server. To check this, open up PuTTY again and log into your server. Once you're in, type ls to list all the files and folders. As you can see, demo.zip is listed there. That means your file has been successfully uploaded to the server. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.